Hi, today I am going to explain about predefined functional interface in Java 8. In Java 8, there are four functional interfaces. They are predicate, consumer, supplier, and function. Here I am going to explain about predicate functional interface. Predicate is used to test input using the test method. This test method, which accepts the input and returns the boolean value as output. This is the signature of the predicate interface. It is annotated with functional interface. So it is having one abstract method. We move to STS. If we go to this predicate interface, this is the predicate functional interface which has only one method, that is test method. This is the abstract method. Using the predicate, we can test multiple conditions. I can create multiple predicate. This is one of the predicate where I'm checking if the string is not empty, then only I need to filter based on this condition. In the second predicate, I am passing this condition. If the string contains basic, then only I need to display the output. Third one, in this list, this is the integer list where this is the predicate condition where I am checking if this integer value divided by 2 equal to 0. Here I am filtering even numbers based on this condition. So, whichever the condition we are passing here, for multiple predicate, we can pass multiple behavior to the same filter method, and we can create a new list from the input. So, if it is an integer list, then we need to create one more filter list integer method, because in string it accepts only list of string. So we need to create one more method for filter integer where we need to pass list of integer. Instead of that, we can have a common method with the help of type inference. This is the signature of type inference. Instead of string or integer, we can pass this t. This is the type inference. So we generally declare string and integer in this way. Instead of that, we can write a common code with the help of type inference which accept all the type of object. So in the method also, we need to pass, instead of string we need to pass this t. While returning also we need to pass this type inference. In the predicate also we need to pass this. While we creating new list also we need to pass this as a generic, and while iterating this list we need to provide this type inference. So using this single method, I can pass any kind of return type. Type inference is a Java compiler ability to determine the type argument. Whichever the return type we are passing, this type inference which identifies the return type based on the input which we are passing. Also, We have one more concept in predicate, that is predicate chain. We can create a multiple predicate to check multiple conditions. Then I can create one combined predicate with the help of AND operator. In the predicate interface, we have this AND method which helps us to combine multiple conditions. Once it is combined, then I can pass this combined predicate to this filter method. This is the name. Names is a list dot stream of. I am converting the list of string into stream of string. Then I am calling the filter method where I am passing the predicate combined statement. After that, with the help of this collect terminal method, I am collecting the list. Let's move to STS editor. Let's try to run this Java program. Based on this first predicate statement, I'll be getting this output because this is the empty one. So based on this is empty, we are avoiding this value, empty value. In the second statement, which are the strings contains basics, it will return only those two. In the third one, in this list, 2 and 4 are even numbers, so we'll get this output. And using the predicate chain, multiple predicate combined into one, then I am passing this predicate into filter method. So when I run, I'll be getting only this first value, Adam, because it is started with A. Also the length is less than 5. So for the first one, this is the answer. Here totally we have 4 values. We are eliminating this empty based on the predicate condition. In the second one, which are the strings contains basics, I am displaying only those two. And third one, 2 and 4 are the even numbers from this list. So I'll be getting 2, 4. And the third one, I am passing the multiple predicate with the help of AND operator. So I'll be getting this as output. So initially I written multiple methods for a list of string. This is the list of string. So this list only we are passing to this filter method. So based on that, I wrote on method for that condition, and for list of integer I wrote one more method. So instead of that, we can comment out these two methods, and we can enable this type inference. So with the help of this type inference method, we'll change the same name as type inference. Type inference. Type inference. Type inference. So now let's run this program. So we are getting the same output with the help of single method. This method is using, like when we run this method, Java compiler which use type inference to find the return type based on the input. We are ending this video. Thanks for watching. Thank you so much.